Hello guys, welcome to my first video of YouTube channel. This is Puneet Sadev, a trader with 600k in funding from prop firms, and today we will learn 5 tips to learn trading. I will go to the cheapest way of learn trading to the most costly one. First of all, sorry guys for my Hindi. दरअसल मैं पैदा हुआ हूँ इटली में, so my first language is Italian and my second language is Punjabi because my mother and father were born in India, and in this channel we will try to mix up English and Hindi. सबसे cheapest way to learn trading guys is YouTube. YouTube is very good for also beginners because YouTube की सबसे बड़ी क्वालिटी क्या है कि वो फ्री है इसका मतलब you can go and get some notions and see some quality videos of traders. बस आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि आपने रियल ट्रेडर्स के वीडियोस देखने हैं YouTube पर, cause of course if YouTube is free is also accessible to everyone, and if it is accessible to everyone it means that there will be also a lot of fake gurus of trading, as you know. So आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि आपने उन फेक गुरुस में चक्कर में नहीं पहना है, क्योंकि वो फेक गुरु आपको ट्राई करेंगे सेल देयर कोर्सेस एंड ट्रायल टू मेक आउट ऑफ योर मनी, राइट? सो आपका मेन फोकस गाइस ऑन यूट्यूब है रियल वीडियोस फाइंड करना, रियल क्वालिटी वीडियोस ऑफ रियल traders, and that's why I'm trying to grow up this YouTube channel just to show you guys the real transparency behind trading. And if this channel will grow up, I will show also my real trading strategy that I use on 600k funding of prop firms. So like, share and subscribe. So आपका mainly focus क्या होगा YouTube पर is that you have to find quality videos and then to catch up everything that he is saying about the video. Like if you are seeing a forex video, you have to see everything that he is talking about forex. If you are seeing a psychology video, you have to see and focus on psychology. And a very good example of a trader in India is Umar Punjabi. I have learned a lot from him, and I really like his trading style and his way of talking, and I think he's a very good trader. So see also his channel. I hope he's seeing this video. The second tip to learn trading is books guys. Books guys is not very good, but they are not also very bad, because आप सोचो प्रैक्टिकली ट्रेडिंग सीखने के लिए आपको ट्रेडिंग करनी पड़ेगी चार्ट्स पर, सो बुक्स इतना हेल्प नहीं करेंगे. बुक्स हेल्प करते हैं इन साइकोलॉजी ऑफ ट्रेडिंग विच आर वेरी गुड. आई हैव पर्सनली रेड द ट्रेडिंग इन द जोन विच इज़ अ साइकोलॉजी बुक, एंड आपको पता ही है ट्रेडिंग में साइकोलॉजी इज़ वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट because it's, I think personally it's 90% of trading. So to resume, we can say that books are very good to learn the psychology but not very good to learn practically trading. Guys, the third tip to learn trading is community. Okay guys, अब मैं focus करना चाहता हूँ community पर, क्योंकि I think they are very 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 important. Guys, आप खुद सोचो trading is a very lonely job as itself. So being in a trading community, it will help you to feel a little bit less of coursely lonely, and will help you also to see the experiences of other traders. The experience of other guys in trading is very very important because experience एक ऐसी चीज़ है trading में जो can avoid you a lot of mistakes in trading. So if you see that someone is showing you something in the community, is because he has done a lot of mistakes. So guys, it's very important to be in a community because of course you will feel a little bit less lonely. और guys, जैसे हम कहते नहीं है हिंदी में, हमारी कहावत नहीं है कि that you are that you are the result of 5 people that you are closest to one. So ऐसे ही community में होता है that you should surround yourself with positive people mind. And आपको पता ही है पहले ही इतने अफवाह है ट्रेडिंग के बारे that it's a gambling, it's a जुआ है, वो सब हम हिंदी में हमारे इंडिया में कहते रहते नहीं है। तो ये सब अफवाह है जो नेगेटिव होते हैं। सो यू शुड नॉट बी इन दिस नेगेटिव स्टेट ऑफ माइंड एंड यू शुड बी इन अ पॉजिटिव कम्युनिटी वेयर यू थिंक एंड फील ट्रेडिंग इन अ पॉजिटिव वे। कम्युनिटी इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी गुड बिकॉज गाइज जब आप कोई मिस्टेक करते हैं और आपको कोई एक्सपीरियंस वाला बंदा आपको बताता है कि आपने यहाँ गलती की है, इज़ बिकॉज ही नोज द पेन ऑफ द मिस्टेक्स, बिकॉज ही हैज़ डन अ लॉट ऑफ times this mistake. Like if you are risking like 50,000 to make only 5,000, of course आपको पता है कि ये profit ratio और ये P&L is not very good because you are risking 50,000 just to make 5,000. This risk reward is very good, is very sorry bad. So एक experienced trader आपको ये छोटी छोटी बातें बता सकता है कि आप यहाँ मिस्टेक कर रहे हो, वहाँ मिस्टेक कर रहे हो. So it will be very useful for you to be in a community of course. Guys, अब थोड़ा सा cheapest way से थोड़ा सा महंगे way पर option to learn trading is the trading course. Okay guys, so पहले तो मैं ये बता दूं कि I think that to learn trading you can do all free on YouTube. You should also learn trading and extrapolate a lot of things from A to Z of trading from YouTube, and then go if you want, and if you are very serious about trading with a trading course, only if you have extra money, because as I repeat, I think that you can learn trading for free. बस ये प्रॉब्लम है YouTube पर that if you want to learn for free you have to input a lot of time behind the charts and behind the scenes of tradings, and that's why having a trading course can help you to, if you want to accelerate way of learning trading, right? Okay guys, अब आप पूछोगे ट्रेडिंग कोर्स लिए कितना पैसा देना चाहिए. I think personally that more than 10,000 is very much, so you should be your budget should be for a trading course less than 10,000, because and if someone is trying to sell you more than 10,000 is just trying to make out of money from you. So stay away from that person and just concentrate on your work. The final and the last option of trading to learn trading is of course a trading mentor. Guys, ये option very costly है because it's very difficult to find a real trader mentor, and if you find one he will charge you like 5,000, not rupees but dollars, so be conscious about that. And yeah, because आप पूछोगे क्यों इतना महंगा होता है. guys इतना महंगा क्यों होता है, क्योंकि he can make 5,000 in a trade. So guys, of course he will charge you 5k for his trading to be your mentor, right? So guys, okay, to resume everything is that these are the 5 tips to learn trading. So the first is YouTube, the second is books, and the third one is community, the fourth one is trading courses, and the fifth one is the trading mentor. I hope you liked the video, and please share, subscribe and like this video because it's my first video of YouTube channel. And if you want that I show you my real strategy that I trade on my funding of prop firms of 600k, please comment in the commentary box and let me know if you want more videos. Thanks guys.